Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring one of the most iconic luxury cars in the world, the Rolls-Royce Phantom Series II. Synonymous with sophistication and elegance, the Phantom Series II takes luxury to new heights. We'll be diving into its stunning design, both inside and out, its luxurious features, its refined performance, and what makes it a true masterpiece on wheels. Exterior design. Let's start with the exterior. The Phantom Series II showcases a more refined evolution of the classic Phantom look. The Pantheon grille stands tall with a subtle illumination that creates a mesmerizing glow at night, accompanied by the legendary Spirit of Ecstasy. This signature look is now complemented by the new laser-cut Starlight headlights, which add a futuristic yet classic appeal. The body lines remain smooth and elegant, with a long hood and an overall design that's both stately and aerodynamic. Rolls-Royce offers a range of bespoke paint options, allowing owners to create a Phantom as unique as their own tastes. Interior. Step inside, and the Phantom Series II immediately transports you to a world of luxury. Rolls-Royce uses only the finest materials, think hand-stitched leather, polished wood veneers, and personalized accents that make each Phantom unique. The Starlight headliner continues to be a standout feature, with thousands of fiber optic lights embedded in the roof, creating a personalized night sky ambience. Tech-wise, the Phantom doesn't compromise. It's equipped with Rolls-Royce's latest infotainment system, embedded elegantly into the dash, with a 12.3-inch display that combines advanced tech with a minimalistic interface. And for rear passengers, the theater seating layout provides a luxurious experience with powered seats, folding tables, and individual screens. The cabin is nearly silent, designed with acoustic insulation that creates an unmatched sense of calm. Performance. Now, while the Phantom is all about luxury, it doesn't fall short on performance. Under the hood, it houses a 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine, delivering 563 horsepower and a smooth, effortless ride. The Phantom glides on the road thanks to Rolls-Royce's flag-bearer system, which uses cameras to detect and adjust to upcoming road surfaces, ensuring a perfectly smooth experience. It's not about speed, it's about a refined and powerful performance that makes every drive feel grand. The transmission and suspension work seamlessly together, so every turn and acceleration feels effortless, maintaining that famous Rolls-Royce magic carpet ride. Unique selling points. So, what makes the Phantom Series II truly unique? Rolls-Royce's attention to detail is unmatched. Each Phantom can be fully customized through the Bespoke program, allowing owners to choose everything from interior materials to personalized monograms and unique paint colors. No two Phantoms are the same, and this exclusivity adds to its allure. With each Phantom, you're getting a blend of cutting-edge technology and traditional craftsmanship. Every part of this car is meticulously designed and crafted to be timeless. Conclusion. The Rolls-Royce Phantom Series II is a true icon in the world of luxury cars, combining breathtaking design, exquisite interior comfort, and smooth performance. It's the pinnacle of automotive luxury, offering a ride like no other. Whether you're behind the wheel or simply enjoying the experience from the back seat, what do you think of the latest Phantom? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more car content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.